Welcome to Huichengsheng. This is our heat treatment furnace production base, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. We specialize in manufacturing industrial heat treatment furnace equipment. Our main products include continuous furnaces, heat-type furnaces, box-type furnaces, trolley-type furnaces, and vacuum furnaces for various processes. With 10 years of dedication and technological accumulation, Huichengsheng has developed products characterized by practicality, durability, and multi-functionality. We help enterprises achieve a dual leap in quality and efficiency. This is Anne. Let's talk.